My name is Francisco. I'm from Chile.
And what are you doing here?
Travel. I play wheels here. I am acrobat.
Acrobat. So you just walk around and you heard that talent is in here, so... Jo. Říkám, že tak šel okolo a se věděl, že tady točíme, tak se zastavil. Have you studied any school for circus school or something like this?
No, in the beginning I a street artist. I traveled with my show. I was in the national team for gymnastics for my country.
Wow. She's a gymnastic girl too.
Fakt jo?
Jo, športová gymnastika.
Jo.
Prvá výkonnostná, no jasne.
Ty pentle tohle?
Ne, to je moderná športová, máš kladina, prostné a to. Však to je vidieť na tele, to nevidíš? Stavba tela krásna. Tak sa tešíme. Ja, pardon, no, ale tak konečne niečo krásne, nie?
Kochaj sa,
Pekný chlap. No.
And Diana said that you have very nice body.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. You are welcome.
Le, viva Chile!
When the days are cold and the cards all fold and the saints we see are all made of gold, when your dreams all fail and the ones we hail are the worst of all and the bloods run stale, I wanna hide the truth, I wanna shelter you, but with the beast inside, there's nowhere we can hide. No matter what we breed, we still are made of greed. This is my kingdom come, this is my kingdom come. When you feel my heat, look into my eyes, it's where my demons hide, it's where my demons hide. Don't get too close, it's dark inside, it's where my demons hide, it's where my demons hide. Curtains calling, so last of all, when the lights fade out, all the sinners crawl, so they dug your grave in the masquerade.
Ja by som mu dal zlatý buzzer.
Out at the mess you made. Don't wanna let you down, but I am hellbound. Oh, this is all for you. Don't wanna hide the truth. No matter what we breed, we still are made of greed. This is my kingdom come. This is my kingdom come. When you pull my heat, look into my eyes. It's where my demons hide. It's where my demons hide. Don't get too close. It's dark inside. It's where my demons hide. It's where my demons hide. They say it's what you make. I say it's up to fate. It's woven in my soul. I need to let you go. Your eyes, they shine so bright. I wanna save that light. I can't escape this now unless you show me how. Look into my eyes. It's where my demons hide. It's where my demons hide. Don't get too close. It's dark inside. It's where my demons hide. It's where my demons hide.
Ja to si zmáčknul. Mám to zmáčknul. Poraďme.
Jak chceš?
Co?
Jak chceš?
Zlatý buzzer je rovno vo finále. Estás en final.
Děkuji. Congratulations.
Gracias, mucho gusto.
Kam ide?
Viva Chile! Dobre.
Thank you so much, really. It's a surprise for me. Thank you so much. How do you say thank you in Slovaco?
Difficult. Forget it.
Difficult.
Ďakujem.
Ďakujem. Thank you.
Congratulations, you're the first finalist.
Thank you. Ďakujem.
So nothing more to be said.
Ja sa strašne třesu.
She's shaking.
Ja som to tak tušila, to už vidíš na tom tele, na tom úsmevu. Že to je niečo krásne, že to je niečo wonderful.
Ještě bych chtěla vědět, jak vypadá, když já má rozpuštěný.
Aha, no, to by nemohol. Protože nepotrebujem ani reč, či mi rozumie. Áno. Ježiš! Ježiš! Indián. Krása. Áno. Dobre si to značkla. Super. Very nice.
Už vím, co se mi bude dneska stát.
Nemáš slovo, čo?
Ne, no tak Jaro taky mýval takový vlastně, když byl mladší, že?
Nemôžeme hovoriť áno a nie, lebo už je tu napovedané všetko. To znamená, see you in the finals.
See you in the final. Okay. Yes.
OK, good luck.
Good luck,
Francisco, see you soon.
See you soon.
Hasta luego. Hasta final.
Hasta final.